Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be doing this very bold eye look using my new Lime Crime Venus XL eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, you'll just need to keep watching. But before we get started, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to go ahead and do so, as well as hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. Alright guys, I am going to be doing just a quick tutorial using the Venus XL palette. I just got this in the mail the other day, so I'm anxious to give it a try. Let's take a look at some of these shades in here. You do get a nice mirror inside, and then these are the shades that you get. So as you can tell, this is on the pinky, mauvey, plummy side of the color spectrum there. So if those aren't your shades, you will probably not like this palette then, but they're mine. So I'm excited to give this a try. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Luxie 207 flat brush, and I'm going to go into this shade here, Blank Canvas, and I'm going to put that all over both eyelids. Right, that blended out great. So let's move on into our transition shade. And I think I'm going to go in with this shade here, Idolized. And I'm going to take that all over into above my crease, I should say. So a transition shade here. I've only swatched these, so it's my first time at getting them onto my eyeballs. It's pretty so far. All right, now I'm going to take one of my Morphe kind of pointed tip brushes, I guess, and let's take, where am I going with this look today? I think I'm going to take a little bit of this Flora color, just a little bit, and I want to take that into the crease just to give something for that brown shade to start transitioning over to some of the pinker shades. I'm going very, very lightly. All right, using that same brush but cleaned off, now I'm going to go into this deep Triumph shade here, which is coming across very pink on the monitor, but it's more of a plummy pink color. And I'm going to go even a little bit tighter in there. Notice how I'm not bringing it all the way in to this corner of my eye. I'm staying pretty much center of my eye and out. Let me take a clean brush, just kind of blend those all in together. Liking this so far. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of a shorter brush and go into Aphrodite, which is this right here, kind of this plummy brown shade. And I'm going to take that right on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just going in little circular motions. All right, now for my eyelids, I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Shimmer Veil eyeshadow. This is in the color Amethyst, and this will be my first time using this. It's got a doe foot applicator there. It has a little, actually has a pinky violet shade to it. And I'm not going to go all the way over with this because I'm going to go into a different shade on the outer part of my eye. So I'm going to go back to my flat brush, and this is where I'm going to get a little wild, and I'm going to take this very hot pink shade here called Passion. And just bring this from the corner of my eye going towards the other shade we just put on. Ooh, I know, it looks crazy. We're going to buff that out. So taking a clean brush, I'm going to lightly buff right where the two of them meet. And I mean lightly. All right, let's go into the lower lash line. So I'm going to pick up a pencil brush. I'm going to go into this shade Triumph that we used before and just lightly go underneath my lash line. Getting a little bit of fallout from something on my face. And then I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to go into the burnt gold right here. And I'm lightly going to go on the outer part of my eye, just right under my lash line. Since we started out with a brown shade, I want to bring a little bit more brown into the rest of the color. If you guys have noticed that my eyes have suddenly become a lot more blue, I just ordered some new contacts and I picked up the wrong shade. First I thought it was them who made the mistake, but I realized it was me. Alright, I'm going to take a small brush, go in and just kind of buff that out lightly. And then for mascara today, I got a sample of the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, so I thought I would give this a try today and see if I like it or not. So this is just the little sample tube. The wand is very, very flexible and long. It's a silicone one with those types of bristles. So let me curl my lashes real quick and we'll get some mascara on. All right, let's see how this works. Okay. So I tell you, I can really tell from when I started using the Care Post that some of this must be getting somehow onto my bottom lashes because they have grown out a lot too. This is a very wet formula. I'm going to go in with my comb really quick before this starts to dry and get some of these clumps off. Don't know if that helped or not, but let's see if we can scrape some of this extra off because that's too much that it's gathering onto the wand. Okay, that's better. I wouldn't say that this isn't overly wet or overly dry. It's just right in the middle as far as the consistency of it. Okay. Definitely gave quite a bit of length. I don't feel like I even need to go in with a second coat of this, so All right, for lips today, I am going to go bold. I don't think that I've ever gone with a real red color on my channel. So I'm going to go in with the both Essence products. So this is the Essence Vibrant Shock Liquid Lipstick, and then the retractable lip liner in Ready for Red. So let's see what this looks like with the big bold red lip. That lip liner is very, very creamy. Doesn't really crumble or anything. Let's see what the lipstick does. So this is what the wand looks like. I've only swatched this as well. Well, that's more of a pinky red. That is very, very comfortable. And yeah, it gets on the teeth. So if you guys have never seen this trick before, if you want to stop lipstick from getting on your teeth, do that. Any of the lipstick that would have gotten on your teeth is going to come off on your finger instead. And I forgot that that lipstick stains as well, so you need to be a little careful with that. Let me go in with some setting spray. I'm going to again use the Essence Keep It Perfect setting spray. This is one I just picked up from my full face essence video. So if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a card right up here for you to go watch. This can really put out a lot at one time, so you have to be a little bit careful. So let me let this dry, fix my hair a little bit, and I will be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. As you can see, I went in and I did change up my lip color just a little bit, a lot bit. That red just was not the right color to go in with this eye look. So I took one of my Ofra lipsticks I got in my IPSY bag. They call this IPSY Unzipped, and it's a beautiful mauve shade. And I just put that right over the top of it. Dried down really well, and I think it just really helped tone down that red quite a bit. So this is a very, very pretty color. The lipstick itself was just really, really comfortable. Just the wrong color for me to use for this look. As for the Cover FX eyeshadow, wasn't quite what I was thinking it was going to be. Turned out a lot more violet than the pink shade I was actually looking for. So I think what I should have done is maybe go in with, just any of my other palettes that I have, a shimmer shade that's a lighter color. But you know, it's pretty. It just wasn't the right color again. As for the mascara, I like it. It gave a lot of length to my lashes. I don't like that wand though. It just was way too flexible, and I don't like the way that I don't feel like I had the control over my lashes, because this bent as I was trying to like comb it through and things. So, and a lot of it gunked up on the brush really quickly, which I just don't like. So I probably will not be buying the full size of this on my own. As for the eyeshadow palette, oh my gosh, you guys, this is gorgeous. Yes, I did a very bold look with this today, but with these shades you have in here, you can really tone them down and go for some much lighter looks. I'm going to go ahead and insert some swatches right here so you can see how all the different shades swatch out. But I think this is going to be one of those great eyeshadow palettes that you can use for the springtime and going into summer. It just has a lot of really pretty colors. So I'm really enjoying it so far, but again, time will tell. I'll have to play with it a little bit more and try some of the other shades that are in there. So I think that wraps everything up. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please take a moment to go ahead and do so. If you are subscribed, thanks for coming back, you guys. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. So until next time, bye-bye.